So today I'd like to talk to you about Perfect Prep Skin Radiance Base. Now it's not an oil, it's a serum, it's a glorious colour. It's a moisturising serum that's anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, will make a soft dewy result on your skin. It can penetrate very, very deep into the dermis and will give you the perfect base for your mineral makeup application. The 5 ingredients are olive squalane, frankincense, rosehip seed oil, macadamia nut oil and lavender. Now the olive squalane base is a very, very fine oil that can penetrate very deep into the dermis and carry everything else in with it. Together they're anti-inflammatory, they're anti-aging, they're plumping, they're softening. Use 10 minutes before your makeup application to allow it time to sink in. If you've got any excess on your skin before you put your makeup on, then tissue it off very softly. What you want is a very soft, dewy feel to your skin with no excess, and then you go in with your mineral makeup application. It really is 5 ingredients only, no nasties, extremely high quality, and you can use it everywhere. It's an amazing body oil. You can use it at night on its own. You don't just have to use it before makeup. But as I say, because of the different skincare regimes that everyone has, and that's fine, they've all got the stuff they like, everyone has their personal favourites. This, before you apply your makeup, ensures that you have the best base for the most beautiful finish of your mineral foundation. So as it says on the information that comes out with all of our makeup, it's all about the prep. The prep will give you the results that your heart desires. So have a look at the ingredients, look them up, see how wonderful it can be, and you can buy a sample as well. We do sell it in sample sizes so that you can try it before you invest in a full bottle. Comes in 2 sizes, 10ml, 30ml, and it's fabulous.